Wire them wrong and the music quietly dies. Wire them wrong, you won't notice the difference. Not immediately, your ears will eventually. Oh, do you hear it? Everything seems fine, then the bass disappears. It plays, but not the way you think. Your ears won't scream, the music just goes flat. It works, just badly. This is the mistake you won't hear straight away. Well, you've seen it and you've heard it. That's genuine. That is what happens when you wire speakers out of phase. Out of phase, what does that mean? Technical term. If you put the red to red and black to black, you're fine. If you swap them over and you only do it on one speaker, that's not fine, because one speaker is going to be out of phase to the other. One speaker is going to be going that way, and the other speaker is going to be going that way, which means that the air isn't actually going anywhere. But when they're working together, they both go out and they both go in at the same time. And that's fine. That's what phase is all about. Thing is, if you do it like this, you'll end up with sounds that are, well, interesting to say the least. If you, as you move around the room, you'll find it sounds different in each place. Sit right between the speakers and you will find that it will be like you've heard on here. Sit to one side, you'll hear one speaker louder than the other, etc., etc. And that's why people get really confused. Keep it simple. Do it right, or do it for fun, but know that you've done it. If you've got anything out of this, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.